Warm regards, understanding a common English expression. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a commonly used phrase in English, warm regards. This phrase is often used in both personal and professional contexts, and understanding its nuances can really enhance your English communication skills. So, let's dive in and unravel the layers of this interesting expression. Warm regards is a phrase used to convey friendliness and goodwill in written communication. It's typically found at the end of emails, letters, or messages as a closing remark. The word, warm, adds a personal touch, suggesting a sense of friendliness and caring beyond a formal gesture. By using warm regards, you're extending a kind and friendly sentiment to your recipient. This phrase is versatile and can be used in various contexts. However, it is particularly appropriate in situations where you have a friendly relationship with the recipient, or you wish to express a degree of warmth or personal appreciation. It's less formal than yours sincerely, but more personal than a simple regards. This makes it ideal for business emails where you've already established a rapport, in personal messages to acquaintances, or when you wish to leave a positive, warm impression. Understanding the cultural context is crucial. In some cultures, such direct expressions of warmth might be seen as overly familiar, so it's important to consider the background and preferences of your recipient. Additionally, there are variations of this phrase like kind regards, best regards, or simply best, each carrying slightly different connotations and levels of formality. In summary, warm regards is a wonderful way to conclude your messages with a touch of warmth and personalization. It reflects not only your good wishes but also a level of respect and kindness towards the recipient. I hope this video helps you in incorporating warm regards appropriately in your future communications. Stay tuned for more insights into the fascinating world of English expressions.